Hi there. Welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to change team name in Asana. Whether you're in the midst of a rebranding journey or simply tweaking your focus, changing your team name in Asana is a task that can help keep your projects aligned with your evolving team identity and overarching goals. It's a straightforward process, but one that ensures clarity and cohesion within your team. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide to make sure you navigate this task smoothly and effortlessly. Before we get started, the first step is to log into your Asana account. Once you've entered your credentials and signed in, allow a moment for your Asana homepage to load completely. Here, you'll be greeted with a comprehensive view of all your ongoing projects. Think of it as a bird's-eye view, giving you insight into everything your team is currently working on. Now, let's focus on the left sidebar menu. This menu serves as your main navigation hub, containing links to all your teams and projects. Our goal here is to locate the specific team whose name you wish to change. Depending on the number of projects and teams you are involved in, this section might be prominently displayed, or you may need to scroll a bit to find it. Don't rush. Take your time to locate the exact team you want to rename. Once you have identified and clicked on the team, you'll be directed to a detailed view. This view will show you all the team members, projects, and other pertinent information that helps keep everyone aligned. Now, here's where the magic happens. Look for a small drop-down arrow located next to the current team name. This seemingly subtle arrow is your gateway to making the necessary changes. Click on this drop-down arrow and a menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled Edit Team Settings. Clicking on this option will open a new window or area specifically designed for modifying your team setup. Don't worry if you're greeted with multiple options. That's normal. For today, we are focusing solely on changing the team name. In the Team Settings window, locate the text box labeled Team Name. Click inside this text box, and you'll be ready to type the new name you've chosen for your team. When selecting a new name, consider a name that genuinely reflects your team's mission or purpose. It should be something that's easily recognizable and understandable to all team members. Once you've settled on the perfect name, double-check to ensure everything is spelled correctly. After you've verified that everything looks good, save your settings. Asana will then work its magic, updating the team name throughout the platform. And just like that, you've successfully changed your team name in Asana. This simple process not only helps keep your workspace organized, but also ensures that everyone remains on the same page, enhancing both clarity and cohesion for your team. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily learn how to change team name in Asana. If you want more videos like How to Change Team Name in Asana, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.